Hello! It's a beautiful evening out here in Kansas. Hey, you're about to see part 2 of day 4. We're going to be taping off all the drywall that we just hung. I'm going to speed through the taping of drywall process because I find drywall incredibly boring. And I'm guessing you guys find drywall incredibly boring as well. If that's not the case, leave me a comment. I'll slow it down in the next video. But if you're like me, we'll speed through this part and then we'll get into day 5 where we're going to be putting down the floor. And I'm even going to skip all the mudding process for day 5 because it's boring. So, like, subscribe, and follow along.
In the town on the hill where the apples grow, the church bells ring every hour or so. I took a little walk just to see the ships coming in. The sun rose up right above the highway. Black, blue, red, yellow, golden skyway. It's like the day that you jump into the wind. I can't go back down to that water. These old muddy shoes keep on walking the streets. Someone's bride buying Egyptian sheets in the window display.
Over the years, I've had a lot of carpenters work for me. Eventually, they all ask the same thing. Gabriel, how do I get good at mudding drywall? They all want me to teach them. And after all these years as a carpenter and mudding thousands of sheets of drywall, you know what I tell them? You just have to do it. You see, I can tell them what to do, but without just doing it over and over again, you can never get proficient. There are so many variables. Earlier in the video, you saw me dump my drywall mud in a bucket and mix water in. I do that because I like my mud at a looser consistency. How do I teach that to someone? The truth is, you just can't. Mudding drywall is an art form. I could mud drywall for another 30 years and never master it. There's too much nuance and feel. If you get the opportunity, watch a video of a skilled drywall finisher. It's a thing of beauty. The way they handle the mud and smooth it out on the surface. Master finishers can do things with drywall mud that I could never dream of doing. And that's why I tell everyone, they just have to do it.
Change where it might, and I know it takes a year.
Well, that's that. Calling it a day today. Got everything mudded. First coat. As you can tell from the sweat, it's warm in here, so it won't take any time for this to dry. I'm still going to set up a fan though to get some air circulation in here, make it dry a little quicker. Tomorrow, I hope to get 2 coats on everything. If we get 2 coats on everything tomorrow, I'm going to also skim coat the walls, so we're probably going to need a 4th coat. I'll probably put the floor down tomorrow as well. So we will see you then. Good morning. It's going to be a hot one today in Kansas. The high's 98 degrees, so no one's actually forced to turn on the air conditioner here. I don't really like to turn on the air conditioners in houses that are unoccupied, but gotta do what you gotta do. Today, we're gonna put the floor down. So, follow along.
Okay, well, got the floor down, got a coat of mud on the walls. That's all I can do until the walls dry and I can put the final coat of mud on everything. Floor turned out nice. Took about an hour and a half to lay the floor, so not bad. Other than that, mud, sanding, paint, trim. That's all we have left. So, a couple more days, we'll be finished. Follow along. Hey, like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. I'll see you next time.